What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send crypto from the Magic Eden wallet over to the Phantom wallet. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by checking out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. So let's get started. So first of all, of course, we need to get the wallet address of the wallet to which we want to send the crypto to. So I will of course open up the Phantom wallet, because it's the receiver wallet. And now we will select the crypto that we want to receive. So in my case I have Solana, so I want to transfer over some Solana from my Magic Eden wallet to the Phantom wallet. So here I will just click on this receive icon here, and I will click copy. So now we have the receiver wallet address. Now we can exit the Phantom wallet and open up the Magic Eden wallet. Once the wallet loads up, I will again select the crypto that I want to send. So I will click on Solana and I will click the send arrow right here. Here we just paste the address that we previously copied by clicking on this icon here. And now we need to enter the amount. I will just send 0.01 Sol. And now simply click continue. Here is a quick confirmation screen. So here you can see the network fee and the recipient address. So if everything is fine, you can click send. And now it seems that we have some kind of a bug here where it's not redirecting me anywhere. So I will just exit the screen and refresh the page to see if the transaction went through. So it says that the transaction went through, so I will just check it in my Phantom wallet. And if I go to activity, I can see that the transaction indeed went through. So that's how you can send Solana from your Magic Eden wallet to your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.